If I tell you I made this akara without having to go through all this hustle and pounding and washing beans, would you believe it? Anyways, I got my beans flour from Hilsnosh and it saved the day because I didn't have to go through the stress of making akara from scratch. I literally just put my beans flour and then water and mixed that and left that to soak for about 30 minutes and blended my bawa, onion and pepper, mixed that all up together, and then I used my hand mixer to mix this until I got this perfect consistency and went straight ahead to fry. At this point, I can say even Erasmus will be happy to use this Hilsnosh flour instead of making akara from scratch. So I let this fry till I got the perfect consistency. I wanted mine to be golden brown because that's how I like it, and it was ready here, and I paired it with some hot custard because it was a Saturday morning, and trust me, it was banging. If you don't want to waste time in the kitchen, just rush and go and get this Hilsnosh flour because what? They literally just made my life easier because right now moi moi begiri and akara will be so simple for me to make. Bye.